Greenhouse Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Greenhouse are in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into Greenhouse, a comprehensive recruitment platform that's known for its powerful business automation tools tailored to improve and streamline your hiring process. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Greenhouse is built to scale with your team and help you find top talent efficiently. One of the standout features of Greenhouse is its customizable hiring workflows. The platform allows you to tailor every stage of the recruitment process to match your company's needs, ensuring that you can track candidates from initial application all the way through to final offer. You can create multi-stage interview processes, use automated scorecards, and collaborate with your hiring team to evaluate candidates more effectively. Greenhouse also integrates seamlessly with a wide range of job boards, social media networks, and assessment tools, making it easier to post job openings, manage candidate pipelines, and engage with applicants. Its candidate sourcing tools allow you to tap into a global talent pool, while its CRM features help you build relationships with passive candidates for future openings. Another powerful feature is Greenhouse's reporting and analytics capabilities. The platform provides detailed insights into your recruiting metrics, including time to hire, candidate conversion rates, and diversity tracking, helping you make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your recruitment strategy. The reporting tools are fully customizable, so you can track the metrics that matter most to your team. Greenhouse also includes onboarding automation, allowing you to welcome new hires, complete paperwork, and provide resources with just a few clicks, ensuring a smooth transition for your new employees. In conclusion, Greenhouse is a top-tier business automation tool for recruitment teams looking to streamline their hiring processes, make data-driven decisions, and build strong candidate pipelines. For more information, check out the link in the description below.